Wondering how to use wax strips correctly? Wait no more. Exfoliate your skin 24 hours before waxing. This helps remove dead skin cells and reduces the chances of ingrown hair. Make sure your skin is clean and completely dry. Damp skin prevents the strip from sticking properly. Before waxing, ensure your hair is as long as a grain of rice. Don't apply lotion or powder before waxing. It either dries out or over-moisturizes the skin, making the wax less effective. Apply the strip firmly in the direction of hair growth, usually from top to bottom. This ensures better grip and smoother removal. Hold the skin tight and pull the strip in one swift motion against the direction of hair growth. Waxing the same area too many times can cause redness, peeling, or irritation. Sensitive skin needs extra care. When waxing curved areas like your elbows and knees, it's important to ensure that the strips stick properly. Straighten your arm or your legs and gently press the strip, making sure that it sticks firmly. This will ensure that all the hair comes off. After waxing, use the post-wax wipes to gently clean off any remaining wax. Avoid using regular cloth or plain water. They won't remove all the residue and you might end up irritating your skin. The wipes are specially designed to leave your skin smooth and clean. Post-wax, your skin is sensitive. Hot showers can aggravate it. Choose airy, breathable fabrics after a waxing session. Avoid stepping out in the sun for 24 to 48 hours after waxing. That's how you use the Carmesi Deep Nourish body wax strips the right way. Redness or bumps after waxing, totally normal. When you wax, hair is pulled out directly from the root. This sudden tug disturbs the tiny blood vessels and nerve endings in your skin. But don't worry, it usually settles down within a few hours.